Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super easy and cute home decor for Valentine's Day or love occasions. It's quite easy to make and super fast. Okay, let's get started. We will need a piece of paper because we will have to create our paper hearts, and then we will need a toothpick for skewers, and then a red pen and a pair of scissors, a piece of white paper that we will cut in order to create these I love you words. Okay, we will need to start creating our paper art, and as usual we will create a template. Fold enough your piece of paper. With a pencil we will create a paper heart in this way. Okay, or if you want, I have a paper art template on my blog. I will put a link below this video, and then you can go there, download your template and cut the paper art in an easy way. Okay, we will need to cut with our scissors our paper heart. Okay, now we will have our template, and then we take another piece of paper, red paper or another color that you prefer. With a pair of scissors we will create our paper heart. Okay, okay, yeah, our paper heart. Okay, voila. Just a second that I cut this. Okay, now with our red pen we will create these little dots, and we will create a sort of motif along all the border of the paper art. Okay, but if you prefer you can leave it without this motif. I prefer in this way because I think it's more finished. Voila, now we will have to create our I love you words, and before to create our I love you words, better to glue our paper heart to the toothpick for skewers. Okay, we will need some vinyl glue, the white one, and we will do in this way. Okay, press down. Okay, and put away in order to for the glue to dry. Okay, now we will need to create this white part, and then we can create a rectangle. The measure is up to you. as you prefer, bigger or smaller. I don't have any reference, but we can measure mine. Okay, now we can, this is long 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters. Okay, but you can create a long one or a short one. Now in this way we can cut this with our scissor. Okay, and then we will have to create our sort of triangle that we cut. Okay, and the same at the other end. Okay, perfect. Now with our red pen, we will draw our motif and border. Okay, okay, voila. Now we will need to create our I love you, to write our I love you words, and I will do in this way. Okay, okay, here I glued a paper heart, a little paper heart, but if you don't have a paper punch, you can draw your paper heart, sorry, because in that way is not paper. Okay, I will glue this little heart here, and I will continue to create my words. Okay, voila, our words are ready. Just another final step. Voila. Now we will need to glue this to our paper heart, and with some white glue we will glue our words here. Voila. And okay. Okay. Voila. Just a second. Voila. Here you are finished. I love you. Paper heart sign and home decor. And another idea, I created the same paper heart with I love you words, and I use this kind of ribbon in order to create a home decor but for the window. And you can create many of these paper hearts and hang to a longer ribbon and create a garland. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye!